Hi there, I hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this web search feature on our RAG assistant. Okay, so first let me show you how you can install this extension. So you have to search RAG here in Chrome App Store and you have to click on this extension and you can easily install it. Okay, so this is how you can install it. You just need to click on add to Chrome and it will be installed in your browser. Once you have installed this extension, now you can open the sidebar like this. You have to click on extension icon and there come you with default assistant. So whenever you will open default assistant, you have option to enable web research here. Okay, so if you click on enable web research, now you can ask it anything that you want to fetch from live internet. Okay, so you can ask BTC rate or anything that you want to fetch from live web search. Okay, so there is another way to do the same thing, I mean the web search on this extension. So if you click on menu button here, you can click on assistant icon here. You can open all of the assistants that you have created, or there comes some default assistant like these three, and these are created by myself. Okay, so you can click on any assistant chat button and now you will open the full chat mode. Okay, whenever you will open the full chat mode, you have option to change the assistant here, and you can also enable the web search or knowledge base. So if you only want to do web search, you can enable it and you can disable the knowledge base. If you want to do web search along with knowledge base, okay, you can click that as well. Okay, so now I will obviously show you some use cases that we can do here. Okay, so if you want to know something that is from live internet, we can directly ask it. So let's move forward. So whenever I type the query, now it is asking me to enable the Serper API. I will click on open setting, and now in the open setting I will type my Serper API key here. You can obviously get your Serper API key from here and you can easily do it. Okay, so now let's move forward and now let's ask it something. Okay, I just asked what is the current price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, you can see my message and there is output. Okay, you can see as of the latest data available, the price of Bitcoin is approximately this and the price of Ethereum is approximately this. Okay, this subject price to can be changed and always check a reliable source. Okay, so this is current website. If you click on show prompt, you will see the complete prompt that has been used. Okay, so you can see this is the current web information that it got from live internet. Okay, so this is the complete prompt that is sent to an AI. Okay, so how this is worked. Now let's move forward with another query. Okay, you can also ask the same thing in the sidebar. Okay, so if you go to any other website like fast.com, you can just type the same query and you can enable the web search and you can ask AI here and it will get the same data here. So now from onward, we will obviously ask the same queries in the sidebar. Instead of open in the full chat, we will just type in the sidebar and we can easily use this data on any website where you want to use it. Okay, now if you have suppose opened at Bybit or Binance, you can obviously know the Bitcoin and Ethereum rates easily. Now let's move forward with another query. Okay, now I will just ask Tesla stock price right now and how is it performing today. I just asked it and now I will click on ask AI and now it is processing my message. Okay, in meantime I will just type any other message that I wanna know. Okay, so what is current USD to euro exchange rate? So both of my messages are processing in the same time. Okay, so I don't need to wait for first message to come, so I can obviously send unlimited message at the same time. Okay, so I can see this is the stock Tesla price here. Okay, this is the stock Tesla price and this is low, this is high, each and everything is there perfectly. And there come the current exchange rate for USD to euro is approximately this is. Okay, so it is good idea to check a reliable source. Okay, so everything is there. Okay, you can see the prompt, you can obviously copy it and move forward. Now let's try some other queries. Okay, what are top 3 tech news headlines today? I will just send it. Now let's wait for it. In meantime, I can just send my another message. What is latest news about Nvidia? So both messages are just processing, so I can obviously send one more message. Who won the latest Lakers game and what was the final score? Okay, so now all of 3 messages are processing and thinking in the same way. It will get the latest information from web search and it will provide me the response. So okay, so it start from here. What are the top 3 tech news Here you go. Okay, these are top 3 tech news. And after that, this was my second message. What is the latest news about Nvidia? And you can see the latest news about Nvidia. Okay, so these are the latest news about Nvidia. And about this message, who won the latest Laker game? The latest game was against this specific team on this date, and the Lakers won the game with a final score of this is the final score. Okay, so now let's ask some other messages. So I will just if you want to if you want to maybe know some weather information, you can just send any message like what is weather in New York in this weekend or something like that. And you can also ask, are there any flights delays for JFK airport right now? Okay, you can ask that as well. And even I can send more messages like what is weather in Dubai right now and any travel advisors. So all of my messages are just processing. So what is weather in New York? This is the weather on Saturday, this is on Sunday, and everything you can see. This is the weather. And are there any flight delays? Okay, so for flight delays, this is message that it just got. It searched all websites and it just provided your response. Okay, so you can see the complete information here. And right now the weather in the Dubai is clear with a temperature of about 79 degree Fahrenheit. And okay, you can see all the information is perfectly there. So if you want to know anything from internet, you just type it here and you will got all information in just seconds. Okay, so now I can even ask any other thing like what is the best price for AirPods Pro 2 right now. Okay, I will just type it and I will send it, and now it will just process the message. In the meantime, I can get any other queries like this one. Is this PlayStation in stock anywhere right now? So now it's thinking both of the messages and it will just search the web and it will provide me the response. You got there. The best price is approximately $169 as found on Amazon, and the lowest price so far this year was regular price, this one. And you might want to act quickly if you are interested, as these delays can change rapidly. Okay, for the PlayStation 5, this is information. It is stocked in stores worldwide, and this has resolved supply chain issues, and the console is now available at participating retailers globally. Okay, so this is how it working. Okay, I can obviously show you other use cases. When does the iPhone 16 release and what is the price? I can ask that. I can just ask what movies are in theaters right now and their ratings. Okay, I can ask what does the next session of Stranger Things release. Okay, now all of the messages are processing and I'm just waiting for the response. Even I can ask more messages, not just limited to 3. So there you got all of the results. Okay, for iPhone 16 release, this is the date. What movies are in theater? You can see all of the movies that are in theater right now. And regarding what does the season of Stranger, this is the information. Now I can ask this information, and this you can say what is the number 1 on Billboard Hot 100 this week, and you can instantly see that as well. Now if I got some other restaurant recommendations, I can just ask it. I can even ask it what is iPhone 15 price on different e-commerce websites. So it can obviously get all the websites from different the same iPhone price from different websites, and it can tell me which website is offering the same iPhone 15 in reasonable price, and I can obviously buy that. So these are top rated Italian restaurants for this message. Okay, and you can obviously check that. And for iPhone 15 price, you can see on this website, these are the prices. On Apple Insider, these are the prices. On eBay, this is the price. And here you go that it provides recommendation as well. Okay, so obviously it will recommend the same website that are offering the same iPhone 15 price in very less and with the same features. Okay, so this is how it works. So obviously if you want to check some event information, you can obviously check that. So if I want to check if there's some event tonight, and if yes, what is the time, I can obviously check that. I can, is Best Buy open right now? Anything that you want to understand, that you don't need to do web search. You can just ask it and it will provide you all the information. So this is how it works. Obviously you can get more information like live financial data, today headline, real-time weather, current prices updated minutes ago. So everything is powered by this powerful AI assistant that is used for web research. Okay, so time sensitive queries you can do, you can just check before recording, show timestamp, each and everything you can just fetch it and you can use it. Okay, so just type your query, it will show you indicator like searching, and you can obviously ask everything. You can ask Bitcoin prices, today tech news, weather forecast, product price comparison like I just did, and everything. So this is how it works. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You can do the same web search by clicking on this assistant icon, and you can click on chat, and you can just enable the web search from here, disable use knowledge base, and you can ask anything here that you want to understand. Okay, so I already shown you. So I hope you like this. If you want to install this extension, you can go to Chrome Web Store, and you need to just click on reg. You have to search for reg. Okay, type here reg and just click on this extension and just install it, and that is it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on this useful Chrome extension that is RAG Assistant 1.0. Okay, thank you. Till then, next video.